How to download or install Rapido Captain app in iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Then search for the Rapido Captain in the search bar. If the app is available, you will see it listed in the search results. Press enter. Now from the search results, scroll down and tap on the Rapido Captain app. Then once you tap on it, you will get to see download icon, a cloud icon, or get option available there to install it. Now all you have to do is sign in with the Apple ID if prompted and wait for the app to install. But if unfortunately you cannot find this app on the App Store, then go to any web browser and search for the Rapido Captain app. And once you do so, you will get to see the option available on your first option there, and simply tap on it and it will navigate to your App Store app. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.